Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best hide-it mounts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any gamer or tech enthusiast looking to declutter their entertainment space and elevate their setup, offering a sleek and secure solution to keep your devices organized and out of sight. Number 5. TESSAN 11-in-1 Surge Protector Power Strip. This versatile power strip transforms one outlet into 8 AC outlets and 3 USB ports. It allows you to charge up to 11 devices simultaneously, keeping your space tidy and organized. Its ultra-thin, flat plug design fits easily into tight spaces and hides behind furniture. The 45 degrees right-angle plug allows for convenient use without blocking other outlets. Featuring both USB-A and USB-C ports, it intelligently detects your devices to deliver optimal charging speeds. This provides flexible and efficient charging for all your USB-powered gadgets. Equipped with 900J surge protection and multiple safety features like overload and short-circuit protection, it safeguards your valuable electronics. The reliable on-off switch ensures a secure charging environment. With 2 mounting holes, this power strip can be securely installed in various locations. Its non-slip rubber feet keep it stable on any surface, making it ideal for workshops, walls, or under counters. What we like. This power strip offers an impressive 11 outlets, combining AC and USB ports for all your charging needs. Its ultra-thin flat plug design allows it to fit into tight spaces and hide behind furniture. If you're looking to declutter your workspace or dorm room and need a versatile charging solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The mount is very sturdy and holds the device securely. Easy to install and looks great on the wall. The design is sleek and modern, blending well with home decor. Number 4. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Experience dual-channel recording with stunning 4K resolution from the front and Full HD from the rear. Capture every detail of your journey with ultra-wide angles, ensuring you see more of the road ahead and behind. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, it delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, even in challenging light. Its wide apertures allow more light in, providing brighter and clearer recordings, day or night. Connect instantly to your smartphone via dual-band Wi-Fi. Download your recorded videos at speeds up to 20 megabytes SEC and easily share them. You can also manage settings and update firmware wirelessly through the app. With integrated GPS, you can view live speed and compass readings on a 3-inch screen. It precisely records your driving routes, locations, and speed, providing valuable evidence when needed. This device comes packed with state-of-the-art technology. Enjoy features like motion detection, G-sensor, seamless loop recording, emergency video lock, and a built-in supercapacitor for extended life. Benefit from a custom-designed 24-hour parking mode with 3 options: time-lapse, motion detection, or collision detection. It records events and alerts you upon your return, ensuring your vehicle's safety. Setup is straightforward with all necessary accessories included. It also features built-in thermal protection to ensure safe operation even in high temperatures. What we like. Capture every detail of your journey with stunning 4K front and FHD rear recording, enhanced by a Sony Starvis 2 sensor for exceptional night vision. The ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for quick video downloads and sharing. If you prioritize crystal-clear footage, comprehensive road coverage, and easy access to your recordings, this dash cam is ideal for ensuring your safety and documenting your travels. What people say. The mount is very sturdy and holds the device securely. Installation was straightforward and the included hardware was sufficient. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with the decor. Number 3. GMW Buckler Series Gun Magnet 2-pack. Experience a strong magnetic hold with our powerful neodymium magnets. It can safely conceal firearms weighing up to 30 pounds, compatible with most gun types. Our unique rubber coating ensures your firearm remains scratch-free. Mount and release your gun quickly and easily without any fear of damage. Installation is a breeze with included double-sided adhesive tape and heavy-duty screws. Enjoy a secure mount without worrying about it falling. Its sturdy and compact design allows for installation anywhere. Mount it on your truck, wall, car, safe, or desk for easy access. We offer friendly customer service for any questions or concerns. Feel free to reach out to us through the Amazon platform. What we like. This gun magnet boasts a strong 30 pounds rating and a protective rubber coating to prevent scratches on your firearm. It offers quick and easy installation with included adhesive and screws, making it versatile for various locations. If you need a secure, discreet, and easily accessible way to store your handgun in your car, truck, or home, this magnetic mount is a reliable option. What people say. This mount is very sturdy and holds the device securely. Easy to install and looks great on the wall. The design is sleek and modern, blending well with home decor. Number 2. ECHOGEAR Full Motion TV Wall Mount. Get ready for an immersive movie night. This full motion mount is designed to hold TVs from 43 to 82 inches, supporting up to 130 pounds. It works seamlessly with your favorite TV brands and supports a wide range of visa patterns, ensuring a perfect fit for your setup. Install it in under 20 minutes with the included paper template for worry-free drilling. Everything you need is in the box, saving you extra trips. Fine-tune your TV's position after mounting with post-install adjustments for centering, leveling, and cable management. Achieve the ideal viewing angle with ease. Extend your screen up to 19 inches and swivel for a true theater-like experience from any seat. Push it back for a sleek, low-profile look when not in use. Designed for easy DIY installation on 16-inch wood studs, it includes all necessary hardware and a drilling template to simplify the process. Encounter any issues? Our dedicated product experts are available 7 days a week to provide assistance and ensure a smooth installation. What we like. Achieve the perfect viewing angle with this full-motion TV wall mount, offering smooth extension, swivel, and tilt capabilities for screens up to 82 inches. It includes a wall template and post-installation adjustments for a hassle-free setup. If you desire a cinematic experience and want to position your TV optimally for any seating arrangement while maintaining a clean look, this mount is designed for you. What people say. The mount is very sturdy and holds the device securely. It was easy to install and came with all the necessary hardware. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with the decor. Number 1. Mount It MI509B TV Ceiling Mount. Introducing the Mount It TV Ceiling Mount, designed to hold your television securely overhead. It's built strong and tested to exceed its weight capacity, ensuring reliable performance. This mount is compatible with most 32 to 75-inch flat panel TVs, supporting a wide range of visa patterns. It works seamlessly with LED, LCD, OLED, and 4K displays from major brands. Free up your floor space by mounting your TV overhead. It's perfect for any room, including living rooms, home gyms, and covered patios, especially where wall mounting isn't ideal. Enjoy the perfect view from any seat. It offers tilt, swivel, and rotation adjustments, accommodating both flat and vaulted ceilings for an optimal viewing experience. Easily set the perfect viewing height during installation. The telescoping pole adjusts from 22 to 36 inches, ensuring your screen is at the ideal eye level for your space. Experience complete flexibility with its full motion capabilities. You can easily adjust the position for the best possible viewing angle, no matter where you are in the room. What we like. This TV ceiling mount provides ultimate flexibility with 360-degree rotation and adjustable height, accommodating screens from 32 to 75 inches. It's built for strength and designed to free up floor space, making it perfect for various rooms like home gyms or covered patios. If you're looking to mount your TV in a location where a wall mount isn't feasible and want to ensure a great view from any angle, this ceiling mount is an excellent solution. What people say. The mount is very sturdy and well made. It was easy to install and holds the device securely. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with the decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.